Stop by and take a look at the 2026 S5. The muscular, sweeping lines of pure performance mark the dramatic return of the Audi S5 Coupe. Luxury, innovation, and power equal an experience unlike anything else. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.